Okay, so let's talk about the exterior of the car and everything I've done to it. A lot of body work has been done on this car. If you go back and look at some old videos, there was a lot of rust on that hood. So we did decide to keep it. But however, some of the rust, it seems like it's coming through in some areas. So maybe down the road, I'll probably go ahead and replace the hood and keep the wing on it. But my plan is to replace this hood at some point. The front nose was a problem when we started working on it. It kept cracking, so we had to put I think something like a flex paint in there so we can make sure it doesn't crack in the future. So far, it hasn't cracked. It hasn't done anything. So I'm fine with it. So we did that to the front and the rear bumper. Because this nose on these 79 Camaros, or these Camaros, period, you got to be, I've learned that you got to be very precious with them. The paint is not perfect, but I'm okay with it. You know, I'm not prepared to pay, I guess, $10,000 for a paint job right now. But I think we did a pretty decent job on this for the price that I paid. What else I do exterior? So we did a lot of body work in the normal rust areas in the quarters. I think we replaced the quarter, the lower end of the quarter. We smoothed out some wavy parts. I also replaced the door handles, the key locks. What else I do? I did do new marker lights, new lights all around. Yeah, front and rear lights, new marker lights. I went ahead and purchased this grill and lower grill from OER. So I think it turned out presentable. New light bezels, new headlights, new marker lights. So I am pleased with this. But in the future, I plan on doing something else with the car exterior, probably paint it again to get it where I want it to be, but I'm okay with it right now.